Hey everyone, welcome back to the farm. Let's talk about egg laying in the winter. Our hens don't like to lay eggs in the winter because of the sun cycle, especially in the Northeast. The sun goes down 5-6 o'clock. And so with the sun cycle being so low, they won't lay as much. So what we've done now is we got a new lighting system in the coop, and we have it set up to a 12-hour timer. So these lights will kick on from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., giving them light all day long, which should increase the laying. So keep watching the videos, and I'll update you if they start laying.